Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial on how to reactivate Snapchat account. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, I'll show you by deactivating your account. So in order to deactivate your Snapchat account, you can either log in from the web browser or you can simply open up your application. Now once you open up your application, in the top left corner, tap on your profile icon, and right over here tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. After that, under settings, you have a multiple option, and then tap on I need help. Next, you'll be directed to the support center, and right over here on the search box, type in how do I delete my account. After you type in next page, you have a whole page of information or the article, so you can go through it. Now you'll have to scroll down, and then right in center there's a link that is accounts portal, so then tap on it in order to access the link. So after you tap on the link, next page you have a statement. Right over here it mentions that before deleting your account permanently, for 30 days your account will be deactivated, and after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. So in order to reactivate your Snapchat account, you'll have to log in within 30 days of your deactivation period. Since we are deactivating your account, so then we'll have to enter the login information. So all you have to do is you'll have to enter the password that is linked with your Snapchat account. In order to reactivate your Snapchat account after deactivating it, as I've already mentioned before, that you have to do it within your 30 days of your deactivation period. So after that, you'll have to head back to your home screen. Once you open up your Snapchat application, now you'll have to tap on login. So in order to reactivate your account, you'll only be able to log in using your username and your password. So then enter the login credential. Once you type in the login credential, tap on login. Once you do that, right in center there's an update, and here it says that your account is currently deactivated and would you like to reactivate it again. In order to reactivate your account, this kind of interface will appear on your device. So then tap on yes. Once again there is an update, and in order to restore your account, it'll take a couple of minutes. So all you have to do is wait patiently, and that is how you can reactivate your Snapchat account on your device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.